Another setting that we'll want to go ahead and change is if you don't have that lane watch camera, which is a camera on the right mirror, what will happen is if you flip the signal, you're just going to get a black screen. So we're going to go ahead and shut off the signal, and now we're going to go ahead and change that setting. That is going to be under factory settings. In the manual, it tells you what the factory code is, which is 126. Type in 126, hit the checkbox, click OK. And then we're going to go to Canbus, where it says right view, normal. We're going to go ahead and turn that to hide. We're going to apply it. And now we'll use the turning signal. This screen will stay as it should. So those are two things that you may want to look at after installing the radio. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just completed the installation of the Android 10.1 head unit from Dasaita that does CarPlay and Android Auto. This applies for Accords from 2013 to 2017. Thank you, Dasaita, for sending us this product for review and installation. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.